How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are following and subscribed to my channel, you all know that I'm working on 2 Strike Industry builds. So I do have the Strike Industries LiteSlide, and this is the Strike Industries LiteSlide. So if you have been tuning into my channel, I do have several videos on what's been installed in the Strike Industries LiteSlide. Basically, every part that's on here is practically the same from the same companies that I ordered from. So the slide itself, the LiteSlide, I ordered from tacdom.com. I also ordered the Strike Industries PolyFlex backplate, the Strike Industries suppressor height iron sights, and the Strike Industries barrel cover thread protector. So all of that was purchased from tacdom.com. I also got a threaded barrel here. So as far as the upper parts kit, I went with KM Tactical. I ordered the parts kit from them, and the CDS stainless steel guide rod. So this is an 18-pound spring. I went with this entire setup. So other than that, let me know what you guys think. Just comment down below. But other than that, this video is not regarding the slide. So it's actually going to the optic of choice I went with. So for this, I actually went with the Holosun ACSS Vulcan. So this optic, this is the 507c X2. The only difference is the reticle that's inside. So basically, I'll show you what it looks like. And, you know, looking through the window, that's what you see. If you really want a thorough review or, you know, how this actually works, or if you're debating on buying the optic, you might want to check out Aaron Cowan with Sage Dynamics. He's done numerous videos on the different types of handgun optics out there on the market. There's also a lot of other videos out there that go over their reviews, their opinions. For me, this was just a choice I wanted to go with because I really like how the reticle is. Other than that, I'm going to get into it. As all Holosun products, their case does come with a box. So other than that, it comes with screws, the Allen key, cleaning cloth, thread lock, instruction manual. So basically, I'm going to get into this real quick. So this is basically what the reticle looks like as well. So like I said, do your research. Check out Aaron Cowan with Sage Dynamics. Subscribe to his channel. He'll explain to you his opinions and what he thinks. Basically, that's the reason why I chose the optic as well. Other than that, so I'm just going to go right into it. So first of all, I'm going to tell you guys the slide itself. When you purchase the Strike Industries slide, either the ARC or the LiteSlide, they include their own set of screws for specific optics. All the screws go with their universal mounting pattern. So check out exactly what optics this slide will accommodate. So for me, I'm going to take off this slide cover plate, put that on the side. Now, the screws are smaller than the traditional screws that most optics come with, and they label it as Trijicon screws. Like everybody says, it's the standard, I guess. Other than that, the sight will just basically go on here. So there's one thing I need to tell you, that when you use because this has an RMR footprint, you're going to have to use the Trijicon screws. Now, you may have to actually file it down just a little bit, sand it down. It may not sit flush. Video purposes, I already have made several modifications to the screw, which is just take off some material so it sits flush. But this is the actual screws that I pulled from the LiteSlide package. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this. For video purposes, I'm just going to mount it on, show you guys what this build's going to look like. So other than that, traditionally, you might want to put thread lock and witness mark the top of the screw and the optic, so you can tell if it actually backs out. Other than that, we're going to put this on. So a lot of people are basically fascinated with this because it's a different type of, the reticle's different. So you have the traditional red dot on several optics out there, and this has a outer circle with a 10 MOA delta, or actually what Primary Arms calls it, it's the chevron. So Primary Arms collaborated with Holosun and created this ACSS Vulcan. So ACSS, Advanced Combined Sighting System. So this is basically what it looks like. I went with this specific optic. Like I said, I did my own research. I've seen a lot of people who did reviews, and a lot of people like this, so that's why I went with this optic. So you might want to check out everybody's videos. For me, this is just another video on regarding my Strike 80 build. So like I said, I went with this optic. Let me know what you guys think. Other than that, comment, subscribe. Let me know suggestions. Other than that, I'll see you on the next video. I'll update you guys on what's going on. So I'll check you guys out later.